Hello, good earth science students. This is going to be a video for the ES 106 Lab 3. We're going to be focusing on Part B, Characteristics of Water, which can be found in page 3.6 of our lab packets. Right now, we're going to be doing Activity 1, the Temperature and Density Experiment, as seen here. So it's about 5 parts, and we're going to just work our way through this together. Step 1, we're going to fill this graduated cylinder with cold tap water to about the 100 milliliter mark. So we have our cold tap water, we have our graduated cylinder, we're going to fill it the whole way up to the 100 milliliter mark. Right about there. Okay. Step 2 is we're going to take 2 to 3 drops of dye and put it in a small test tube, fill it halfway with hot water. So we have our small test tubes. We have our dye. We're going to put about 2 or 3 drops of dye in here. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to fill it up halfway with hot water. And right about there's good. All right, so we have our hot water. We have our graduated cylinder full of cold water. Step 3 is to pour the contents of the test tube slowly into the graduated cylinder and record our observations. So here we go. Hot water into cold water slowly. All right, team. And hopefully we'll be able to record our observations of that. For the next step, part 4, we're going to empty that cylinder and fill it with hot water. Well, I have 2 cylinders here, so we're going to finish this off in this cylinder. So we're going to do the reverse. We're going to add hot water to the cylinder and drop some cold water in there. So let's add some hot water to this cylinder to 100 milliliters. Right about there. We are going to take our small test tube. We're going to add a few drops of blue dye, red dye indicating hot, blue dye indicating cold. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. And I have some cold ice water right here. Oh, hey. Let's make life easy on us. There we go. And that's about half right there. All right, let's see what happens with the cold blue water into the hot test tube, or hot graduated cylinder. All right, team. Let's record those observations and put them in the lab packet.